Hello everyone, this is Hussein again. It is Monday morning and I will try to show you what our colleagues are doing today at the factory. Actually, we are trying to pack a shipment for our Germany customer. There are 50 pieces of 21.5-inch monitor and 50 pieces of 27-inch touchscreen monitor. Normally, we try to ship the product on a pallet. Why we try to ship the product on a pallet is because it is tightly packed. There is a plastic film outside it, which will prevent shipment from getting dirty. As you guys can see, we have packed the shipment very well. I will open this monitor to show you how actually it is packed. I will try to open it. There is a protective plastic outside, and then there is also a plastic film inside on the touch panel. As you can see, there is a QC film on the screws, which means that the product is tested properly and it is sealed. There is also a serial number on the product, which means it can track back when it was produced. This is a customized product of the customer, so maybe it will be blurred in the video, but what I want to show you is that we can do the customization of the monitor, especially the mounting positions. As you can see, there is 2 screws at the top and the 2 screws at the bottom. These screws are used to mount the monitor into the self-service kiosk, which is used in the healthcare sector.